everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. What the heck am I supposed to say? I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. Today we're going to be doing this simple date night look and a do-it-yourself at home kind of blowout with the hair. If you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. And yeah, let's get right into it. We're gonna start off with my eyebrows. I get that with my ABH number 12 brush. And then I start outlining the bottom. With this pomade, I try not to get the top much because that's when it kind of looks like too drawn in for me. So I'll do this side. I'll take the dark brown brow powder duo and I'll get the lighter shade. And then I'll kind of fill in the middle here. And I'll take the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is called the Pro Pencil Shadow, that cream color. You're gonna clean the bottom. I use my Real Techniques blending brush and then I start cleaning it up. Should be blended out. As much as I try to keep my mouth closed so you guys don't see the little gap, it's not gonna work. Right, and then we're going to start with the base now. So you take my Real Techniques sponge and we're gonna be using the Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. I love this stuff. You guys can tell it's super low-key. For nights like these, I use two concealers. I start with the BareMinerals Bare Skin Serum Concealer. This one is like super hydrating as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend that out. Brightening in the middle with the excess. That looks good. And then we're not gonna do anything serious. We're gonna grab this and we're just gonna do it all over the lid. Grab the shade Subconcious, so the darker shade in this, and just get the corner. And that little side V. We're gonna grab my eyebrow brush, grab the darker shade, and just do a little flick at the end. All right. I need to blend a little more. You just want a little bit of depth in your eyes, and you can see we got that, right? Just kind of elongates it a little bit. One of my really good friends, Allie, she told me about this, and it's like the best eyelash curler I have ever tried. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're gonna do the TikTok famous Maybelline Sky High mascara, and the black is the black. This is amazing. Just watch. Let's try this. And then we're going to contour with the Hard Candy Highlight and Contour Face Duo Stick. This is from Walmart. We're gonna blend it in with this angled brush. I use this for my bronzer. And then we're gonna take a little bit of that We're gonna grab the Annabelle Perfect Biggie Bronzer, just get a mix of all 3 shades, and then just add some highlight too. So I don't usually wear highlight because of that. Okay, anyways, Sweet Pea Sephora collection. Super cute. Here it is. I smile, get it up here. Kind of work down a little. Super cute. And then we're gonna grab the original SPF foundation and this huge brush. By the way, all my brushes are Morphe. I bought a huge set. It was on sale during quarantine last year, so I just went for it because I literally hadn't had like proper brushes for years, like 7 years. And I kind of just mattify where I usually get oily. So the Laura Mercier, of course, translucent setting powder. We're gonna bake and we're gonna do my eyelashes at the same time. And I find that this is what helps my mascara from not smudging. But I get the corner, right there. I'll bake in here too. Oops, I wasn't even on properly. I'll let it bake and then I'll go in with this and start the bottom. First I'll let that dry. My mascara. And then I'll get this away. Make sure everything's blended. And then it should be drying. And then I'll get my chopstick. And we're gonna move on to hair. I'm gonna use the Revlon Blow Dry hair brush thing. I'm sure that's not what it's called. We're gonna section off the hair first. And I hope I brought my I did. It's the BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. Just get a little bit of that on there. Hey everyone, this is the end result of that look. I hope you guys didn't find it too hard. I know there are more steps than you would expect in a simple makeup tutorial, but yeah, this is the end result. I'm just wearing this matching set I got on sale from Zara, which I love. I wear this quite often. And yes, hope you guys have a good night. About to go eat some steak. I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Bye. My room,